on the trip to Iowa.
Sorry, we got like fucking half an hour or some shit. I don't know.
Where are we gonna meet this guy?
Quit your moaning and groaning over there, all right?
I've been sitting in the seat for over 2 hours.
I don't see you twisting this steering wheel over here, buddy.
Because I don't have a driver's license.
And whose fault is that?
My grandma's.
Oh, my grandma's.
She was the one that broke the car when she drove it to 5 children.
Oh, there's a kid over there. Pick up some of that shit off the floor and throw it at him. Come on, that what you got, buddy?
Damn it. I think we got him.
I think you guys hit something.
Oh, we didn't hit nothing.
Get the fuck
Get the fuck back there.
This was a 2-man job.
Hit something.
Oh, there you go. Check that out.
Hey, no one asked for your input, buddy.
Oh god, the stick shift has shit for
Shut the stick shift's fine. We don't need the stick shift. Turn it down. I'm not doing. Turn it. No, we're turning. Stop. Stop.
Oh, there you go. Now you get him. I can't believe you just hit him. He's dead on the ground right there.